Installing optimizers. The optimizer is a device that protects the system from the effects of partial shading of the solar panels. It reduces the failure rate of the system while increasing its efficiency and safety. In order to be able to move freely on the roof during the installation of the optimizer, use previously laid wooden battens, or alternatively, you can use a ladder laid flat. Install the optimizers before the panels are laid. Each panel should be connected to a separate optimizer. Optimizers are placed between the support profiles, in the right side of the panel, or in a place that allows it to be connected to another optimizer, according to the wiring diagram included in the project. Start the installation by screwing the rubber spacer and sealing sleeve to the roof. The screw should be screwed down loosely, so as to leave a gap to allow the insertion of the optimizer metal plate. The upper part of the optimizer has fixing holes, which allow it to be slid over the spacer sleeve. Each optimizer has dedicated QR codes, which are provided in the form of stickers on the mounting plate. One on the front and the other on the rear side. Before installing the optimizer permanently, peel off the sticker on the rear side and place it on the wiring diagram. This will allow you to configure the wiring correctly at a later stage. After removing the sticker from the rear wall, you can screw down the optimizer permanently. Then assign a number to the optimizer. Write it with a marker pen on the front of the mounting plate. And photograph the number and the QR code with your phone. This is an additional safety measure in case the sticker scheme is destroyed.